Stop using boring flat photos. I'm going to show you how to turn any image into a professional video using a secret AI tool hidden right inside Canva. No complex editing, no extra apps, just pure magic. Let's dive in. I already added the same image. So the only thing what we need to do is go into the edit, and here we can find, and in the tools, image to video. If I click on it, I already have an issue mentioned. Image to video doesn't work on Pro Media. Try selecting another image. So we need to download this image first. I just increasing the size. Try to download. And again, I have an error message. I cannot download this media because it's a Pro Media. As you can see, this small crown. There is a trick. I just add another image. Right click, layers, send it back. So now, just downloading this image and increasing the quality to the best, and now downloading it. So it's downloaded. I deleted the original image, add into the Canva now. So if I go into the edit, image to video, now we can create immediately, because this image is not a Pro image anymore, because this is an uploaded video by me. So we can have two different options. We have this smart, when the Canva is analyzing the image and create a video from it, or we can have a custom where we can add our prompt or ID or motion effect, what we would like to use. But now I'm just going to use the smart and wait until it's finished. That's basically just a few seconds, and then we will have this video. Meanwhile, I would like to ask you, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, and I will try to answer as soon as possible if you have any question or struggling anything in a Canva. But now you can see the video is already generated. So I don't know why is it not working now. Working here, but not working in a preview. But as you can see, the video is generated. This short 5 seconds video. And this is so easy. We can create really nice videos from any image in Canva in a few seconds. I just try to do again. Okay, now it's working with a preview also. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friends. And of course, if you're struggling anything in the Canva or have any questions about Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video, where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in our Facebook page, and of course in our TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.